While we're talking about an Eclipse XL versus an Eclipse Pro, let's look at the wiring on the ICM-2900. If you notice, these say like X latch, the labels. Let me turn this label. See how that label says X latch, Y latch, Z latch? Well, these are also known as input 1, 2, and 3. Now there's an input 4, which is a W latch back here, and you can see on the other side we have inputs 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these three have dual names, and they're input 1, 2, and 3. The home switches are here. That's normal for Eclipse Pro or XL. Outputs, output 2 is for the cutting head, and output 6 is for the brake. Now we have amp enable X, Y, and Z, and that's for turning on each of the drives, whether they're stepper drives over here or servo drives like we're gonna put in. Now, one of the key things is down here we have in a servo we use this first terminal, motor command Z, motor command X. Same over here on Y and W. W is there for a 4-axis machine. We don't have a 4-axis, we only have 3. Now in a stepper we use signal Z and PWM Z, and one of these is direction and the other one is step. So one of these lines is held on high for going forwards and low for going backwards, and or vice versa, and the other one is a series of pulses that tell the stepper motor how many steps to take, or how many counts basically to move. We'll talk about that more in detail, but I wanted to show you the wiring difference in that a servo motor uses this first one and the ground. In an analog servo drive we don't use this ground here, but in a digital servo drive we do. And then this is your step and direction signals for your motors. So each motor has 2 lines that control it. All right.